Hello everyone, it's great to see you again. In the last video, I showed you how to make a super cool web shooter out of cardboard. Simple, but seriously awesome. But honestly, that web shooter didn't fully satisfy me because the web retracting mechanism was kinda inconvenient and way too slow. And after countless days of research and experimenting, I've finally achieved something legendary. Let's just say I've earned the Marvel Universe Nobel Prize for creating an upgraded version. This new web shooter can automatically retract the web without wasting your time, while still keeping all the power and long-range performance. With just a few basic tools and materials, I managed to create a web shooter that's super cheap to build, but still looks absolutely awesome. Here are a few things I need you to prepare so we can get started with today's build. 2 empty pens, and we only need the pen caps from them. A craft knife. A hole punching tool. But don't worry, it's not that important. You can just use the craft knife instead. Super glue. An 8/45mm spring. 10 magnets, each sized 5x3mm. And 2mm thick cardboard or foam board. I'm going with foam board because it's easier to cut and paint. A wooden stick. 150cm of thread. And a fishing line. And here's the important part. A mini retractable tape measure with an automatic pullback mechanism. I got it for just $1. I'll leave the link in the description if you need it. Alright, let's get started. I've already drawn the template. So now we just need to cut out each piece one by one. You should use a really sharp blade as it'll give you clean, smooth cuts every time. Now I'm going to measure the size of the web cartridge and cut a circular hole. This will help secure the cartridge and also reduce the overall thickness. One, 2, and 3. Now I'm gonna cut. And yep, this is what we've got. Pretty easy, right? Now take the wooden stick and cut it into the shape I drew. Then make a small hole and 2 parallel grooves. Grab a sheet of paper and I'll cut it into 3 pieces, each 120 x 50mm. Super easy. I just found this plastic tube inside my shampoo bottle, and the size is perfect. Hopefully you can find one in your bathroom too. Cut a 40mm piece. And then carve a small slot just like this. Don't throw away that leftover piece just yet. It's actually useful. Place it right here, then secure it with super glue. Remember one of those paper pieces we cut earlier? Roll it up, slide it in here, and add a bit of glue to hold it in place. Take a rubber band and follow what I'm doing. If you do it correctly, this is what you'll end up with. Take the round wooden stick and glue a magnet onto it. Then use the second paper strip to wrap around it. Creating a solid connection between the stick and the magnet. The final strip is wrapped so that it shifts downward, creating a small exposed gap underneath. Apply a coating of super glue over the entire surface to reinforce it and make the structure more rigid. Glue a magnet to the other end of the wooden stick. If you followed every step correctly from the beginning, then we now have a fully assembled component that works like this. Next, remove the tape measure casing. Take out the entire metal measuring tape inside. And replace it with the string we prepared earlier. Take a magnet and attach it to the end of the string. Now please focus closely on what I'm doing. If there's any step you don't understand, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's one thing you need to pay close attention to. When installing the magnets, make sure the sides are attracting each other. If you place them the wrong way, they will repel, and the parts won't be able to lock together properly. Everyone's wrist size is different, so when you make this part, remember to put it on your wrist first and cut it to the exact length. And now, the final step, coloring your WebShooter. Make it your own style, your own hero suit. Remember, every spider person has their unique look. If you've made it this far, swing down and hit that subscribe button and drop your ideas in the comments. I'll turn them into reality faster than Spidey swings across New York. Thank you so much for watching. All right, heroes, let's check out what we've created.